Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. It's Brent here from MY50.com, and today we are looking for Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twins. We're looking on our Japanese auction sites. So if you want to get onto these auction sites, what you need to do is head on over to MY50.com, go to the Japanese auctions tab, and once you're on the tab there, you can either sign in over here. If you already have an account, you'd already know this. Otherwise, register. It's free to register, and that'll take you through to the auction lists where you can look at a number of different auctions. So today we're going to look at the Wednesday auction. These are all the upcoming auctions. There's the search box over here, so you can search for any specific bike you want. It will display a number of bikes as they come up, but if you're looking for something specific like us, we're looking for the CRF Africa Twin. We can put that into the search toolbox. And here we go, it brings up a number of different kinds. So that looks like a cool one. Let's have a look at that guy. Click on that guy and brings it through here. Now on the main page of these auctions, there is quite a lot of detail. There's all the detail about the bike, the total ranking score of the bike. Bikes are ranked from 0, which is rubbish, right the way through to 10. Anything over a 7, it's practically a brand new bike. 4 and above, you're looking at a pretty good condition bike. So this bike here, let's have a look through this. It's got all the extra carriers. The initial photos will give you a good overview of the bike, just to get a general feel for what it's like. A lot of the times, this will make the bike look pretty good. But where they do go into detail is then there are some meticulous photos of exactly what this bike entails. So you can get really close up to see where all the damage is. You would not have picked that up on the initial photos. So as we go through, you can really have a good overview of the kind of bikes that you're buying, what the condition is like, things that you might need to look out for. You can zoom in if you need to, like there's a bit of rust there. The underneath part of the bike. Generally speaking, this looks like, for an adventure bike, doesn't look like it's in bad condition at all. Yep, so there you have it. There's about 30 photos that you can go through. Along with the photos, there's also description. There's a bit of rust, there's many scratches, rust and paint. They are relatively conservative about the descriptions, just to be sure that they rather give you more information so that you can make informed decisions. Then there's all the details on the bike, the frame number, the year, the amount of Ks on the clock, the colors, and then you can also look at a video on the bike. You can enlarge these videos to full screen, and if I play the video, you'll see this will be them starting the bike up, so you can hear the hooter, there's the lights going, you can hear the engine going. I don't think you'll hear it in this video because it's a bit distant, but the videos are there to help you out with that. So if this is the bike for you and you're keen to place a bid, then what you do, you'd have an account at my50.com where we'd set you up, and you just put in, let's say for example, we want to bid 600,000 yen on this bike. You can also put in a comment over here. Please make sure engine and chassis numbers match. So this is particularly important for collectors who are collecting rare bikes, but in the engine, my English is not that great, but that's not too much of a concern for this. But yeah, any comment you'd like to make before you bid, you can put that in there and we will check that for you before the auction. So there you have it. If you're looking for Africa Twins, head on over to my50.com and sign up for a Japanese auctions account, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and look forward to helping you find your dream bike.